Good morning. I'm excited. I had a talk with Chuck yesterday, and I had told him I'm not going to stand 4:15 crowing in the morning. And guess what? He started crowing about 6 a.m. But it's daytime now. That's perfect. It's a perfect time for him to start crowing. So I guess our little talk worked. I'm going to check on him every day, make sure he is doing the right thing. Now he's saying it's time to let us out of this coop. So let me let them out the coop so they can enjoy their day. Good morning. Good morning. Y'all ready to come out? Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Normally they come out running. Normally I wait till 7, 8 o'clock to let them out. I guess he said we ain't coming out right now. But that's okay, that's cool. Let me give them some cracked corn. Give me a second. Look at him. He's the first one out. He's the first one out. Ain't that something? He's the only one out. You in charge, buddy. See, this is a good reason to like and subscribe. You watch me have a talk with Chuck the rooster. He didn't start crowing until 6 o'clock. It's daytime, just what I asked. Now, this is the first time he came out by himself. Thank you, everybody. Like, share, and subscribe.